What's going on, YouTubers? Long time no see. So I know you guys heard of the company Cosori. They make crock pots, pressure cookers, all kinds of different appliances. They reached out to me on my YouTube page and asked if I'd like to try out one of their products. So I said, sure. I mean, who wouldn't like to try a free pressure cooker? So I want to show you guys. I'm going to do a quick unboxing. I don't normally do that because who wants to watch people open a box, but I'll show you how they package it and everything. This came from Amazon. If you guys don't have a pressure cooker, I'm telling you, you need to get one. It's really, I'm glad I got the one I did, and I'm glad that Cosori sent me one. I appreciate it, Alyssa. But they're really cool, like one pot meal type of deal is what I think is cool about them. But let me open this up real quick and we'll show you what's in there, and then we're going to do a cooking video in it another time. I'm not sure if I'll put this on with that or do it separate, but I just wanted to do it. So let's open it up. The old Spyderco Tenacious, baby. This knife's been good to me. Real good. So got 2 boxes here. So they packaged it real good. So it's going to come in a bigger box. And then here we got Cosori. Nice looking box here. Hold the freaking handle here. Come on. Alright, so we got 3 boxes. Good for Christmas. Nice looking box, 6 quart pressure cooker. Can you see that? Let's see what we have here. Pretty cool. Got a nice heavy book here. Feels like a good, what do you call it, a cookbook. Recipes and the instruction book. Looks like it's very well done. You see that? Oh yeah, looks like hummus. I didn't know you could do that in there. Oh yeah, look at the, we got pictures and everything. That's my kind of cookbook. Nice job. So we got the lid. Nice glass lid. I just wanted to go back and show you this reference guide. It came with it too. Got some good info here and cooking tips on different foods. Pretty cool. And this lid I didn't realize was extra. You know, for here, just for keeping your stuff warm, or that way you can serve right out of it and keep it hot or keep it warm. So that's cool. Most of them don't come with that. Mine doesn't have it. The other one. So it just has this lid. So very cool, Cosori. Nice job. Plastic off. Oh yeah, that's a nice looking unit. Oh yeah, look at that. Let's see if you can see that. Yeah. Zoom button there we go. Let's see. Yeah, it's nice. Let me get my glasses. I can't read. Oh yeah, you got rice, poultry, soup, beans, chili, vegetables, potatoes, reheat, bake, saute, hot pot, slow cook. Oh yeah, white rice, stew. All kinds of settings on there. It's got the nice, got the release here. You turn that to let the air out, and this pin will drop down and lock it, just like they all do. Real nice. Looks stainless interior there. Got a couple spoons, measuring cup. Oh wow, it's got a strainer, extra gasket. That's cool. Can't argue about that. Look at this, oh, stainless pot too. So you got it, comes with a steamer rack. Very cool. Very cool. Oh, this is nice. Stainless innards here. The one I have is Teflon, so this is really going to last way longer than that. This is nice. This is what you want. Oh yeah, it's a nice looking machine. Very cool. So, good job on that one. Came just good. No shipping was good. No problems. We're going to get it fired up. We're still figuring out what we're going to make with it. Whether it's going to be here at my daughter's house, so that'll be coming up pretty soon, or it'll be on this same video. We'll see. But thank you, Cosori and Alyssa at Cosori, for sending it to me, and thank you guys for watching. I will have the link for this, for their Facebook page, and to buy this below. And I believe she told me they're going to give you guys a discount, some kind of 20%, or don't quote me on it, but 10 or 20 or 15% off of it. So I will have those links posted below, and go check them out. Real good company from what I've seen. You've seen them on YouTube, but other channels. Hopefully that's not in the way of the camera. So yeah, check them out. Go to the links provided and check them out. Thanks for watching.